Today I will show you the edit technique that turns raw clips into watchable gold before you hit upload and send it out to YouTube. This is my favorite part, where hidden ideas pop to life and the quiet artist inside you starts to speak. Stay with me to uncover how it's done, one simple step at a time. Hi there, enthusiastic YouTuber, it's time to edit your video. If you are like me, someone who didn't grow up with all this new technology, you might think video editing sounds complicated. But today I will show you it's actually pretty simple. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can grasp the basics of video editing. And best of all, you can achieve all this without spending a dime. So grab your cup of coffee and let's take this step by step. There are hundreds of different software available in the market, but in this video we will focus on a simple and good enough software you can use totally for free. If you, like me, are using a Mac, you already have a great program called iMovie. It's free and perfect for beginners. My iMovie configuration is in Spanish, but I hope you will be able to follow me anyway. If you're on Windows, use ClipChamp, also free and included in Windows. Both are easy to use. They let you trim video, add text, music, and export your final clip. Before you start editing, create a folder on your computer. Call it My First YouTube Video or whatever you prefer. I used to name the video with blog and the date and draft. Or as in this case of this YouTube tutorial series, I named it episode and the number of the episode. This one is number 8. Inside that folder, make smaller folders for your raw film, sound files, thumbnails, B-roll clips and music. Trust me, this will save you a lot of time later. Now open iMovie or ClipChamp. As I'm a Mac user, I'm using iMovie. Import your main video and sound. If your sound was recorded separately, which I highly recommend you to do, and as we talked about in episode 2, synchronize it with your mouth movements. I always start my video with the name of the video and clap my hands like this close to the microphone. It helps me to easily find the right point for the beginning, as there is a peak in the soundtrack, easy to find. Then play through your clip and cut out everything you don't want. Long pauses, mistakes, or off-topic parts. Keep it natural but focused. Do you remember from episode 6 where I told you about the importance of dividing your script into different parts and how it will help you in the editing? You know exactly which parts you were shooting twice or several times, and when coming back to this part, you know that there you have to make a cut. When you are happy with your basic video cutting, it's time to add B-rolls. B-roll means extra video clips that show what you are talking about. For example, if you're talking about editing, like today, show a clip of editing. B-rolls keep things interesting and your viewer engaged. You can shoot your own B-roll clips, as I do several times, or you can download clips from elsewhere. Be careful though to make sure that your clips are allowed to use. Otherwise, you will be banned by YouTube later when uploading the video. You can even face legal issues. So be careful about which B-rolls you're using. Pixels and pixel base are two sites where you can find license-free clips to use. I have included links to these two sites in the text below here. Just to give you an example, let's say that you need a B-roll about editing. Just type in editing and you get a lot of videos to choose from. Here's a tip. When you make cuts, it's normal that the two sequences, the one before the cut and the one after the cut, not look synchronized. That unsynchronized second you can cover with a B-roll clip, like in this example. This is how the cut looks when watching the video. You notice a cut, but adding a B-roll clip exactly where the cut is, you hide the cut. The next thing to do is to add on-screen text. It can be anything you want as long as it contributes to your video content. You can use the features included in your editor. Keep it simple and easy to read. Plain fonts and calm colors look best. In my case, I always have a short introduction of myself and the golden age lifestyle. Somewhere at the beginning of the video, there I add my name and title. At the end of the video, I always add an invitation to subscribe to my channel. Now, background music. If it fits into your video, add gentle background music, music that backs up your content in the video. If it is a motivational video, add music with a motivational touch. If it is a dramatic video, add a dramatic track. iMovie and ClipChamp both have free music tracks. Just make sure the music doesn't cover your voice. And adjust the music volume to support your video and not override it. It should support your message, not steal the show. As mentioned when we talked about B-rolls, make sure you use license-free music. In iMovie, the music is automatically allowed to be used. There are license-free music you can download for free. If you would like to have more music alternatives to choose from, Pixabay is just one example where you can find license-free music. Now, when you're ready with your editing, it's time for what I call the fine-tuning. I don't know about you, but when it comes to this editing part, I have found myself to be a bit of, what could I say, perfectionist. On one side, that's not good, because you can kind of lose yourself when into it. However, there are a few things I recommend you to take advantage of the features included in the editing software. The first step is to check the color and light of your video. There is a way to make changes to get the color tone the way you prefer. Secondly, you can add on transitions to make a difference. For example, the hook at the beginning of the video I prefer to separate from the rest of the video. I do it by adding a clip like this to show that the new chapter is going to start. Perhaps it's a crazy idea of mine, but I always want to make it clear that the video is coming to an end. And I do that by adding a fade out clip. But it's all up to you, of course, and the video should always be a reflection of your personality. Now, when satisfied with your editing, watch your video from start to finish. Check that your voice is clear, your lighting looks good, your cuts are smooth, and your music is not too loud. This is your polishing step. Make any minor corrections now. When you are happy with everything, export or download your finished video, save it inside your main project folder. I usually name mine, as I said before, vlog, and the date draft .mp4. But for this special training series, it will be episode 8 draft.mp4 to make it easy to find this final version in my folder. And that's all, my friend. You have just editing your first YouTube video from scratch. Give yourself a pat on the back. Most people never even try. In my next video, I will show you how to upload your masterpiece to YouTube, step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the following tutorial. See you soon and happy editing.